Hey everyone, this is Slasher. I finally gotten around to taking on some of the other event challenge runs. This is the second one, something like Angelica's mad scientist test or whatever. So we actually have 2 days to finish all the others, so we need to finish all of them. I've only done one, the vampire one so far, and that's actually is one of the harder one. Interesting. Upon end of turn, if there are 4 enemies within 1 block radius, deals deadly damage to all units. Okay, so we can't block her everywhere. Summon 1. Okay, so you keep summoning the mobility plus 99. Oh. Use to grant plus 1 AoE skill span, plus 500% AoE damage to rule random by that area. What? Oh. What? Attack an enemy dealing 1 point. Okay. Okay, I guess we need to brute force this way through that. So we bring Tiris, we bring Liana, we probably Gospel to boost Leon. Actually, that's debatable. That is debatable. Do we actually bring Leon at all? Or we bring something like Lana? Let's try it with Leon and Smash and Gospel and see what happens. And we bring 2 new King skill to damage them. Okay, faction buff. Okay, let's do this. So we start with Leon first. That's good. We'll push her down. Oh, we can't. Oh, she can't be pushed. That's interesting. That's interesting. Okay then. So we should faction buff. And then we'll show faction buff with Leon, Elwin as well. Now the question is, oh jeez, will she actually attack like this? I'm not sure. Who has the highest attack? Leon right now has the highest attack. Yeah, I think we should give it to Leon, because his angel also have very high attack. Okay. We go here. Okay, so let's do something like this. My god, we're doing no damage. What the fuck? Are you shitting me? What does this do? Electromagnetic augmentation. Oh man. Cannot die and cannot move when HP is below 50%. Oh. So maybe we should kill it so it doesn't move. Okay, so now it's not moving. That's a good sign. And it does what? A 1 block radius. Oh wait, 1 block radius. That's not 1 span, so that's good. So that's good. So shit. Okay, hold on. How do we do this? Okay, we attack. Oh shit. This didn't. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, what the fuck? Oh my god, this is wrong. Oh shit. So now we'll be hit by this AoE anyways. Whatever, let's just continue. What the fuck? We're doing no damage. What's going on? Yeah, chair is not full. Okay, now she's full. What? Oh, what the fuck? Wait, what the fuck? AU skill plus 1? Oh, shit! Oh my god, how do we deal with this? Oh fuck. And what is this debuff on me? Angelina attack you first. Oh, I didn't even realize this. Oh fuck. Wait, is that the wrong order? Maybe that was the wrong order. Yeah, that might have been the wrong order. That's fine. Okay, we kill this so it doesn't move. And we'll go like here. We no longer have crossbow. We'll heal up Luna. And then we will attack. Oh, very high damage. Oh shit, what the fuck? Wait, what? It did no damage. What happened? It did no damage? What? I don't get how this works. I'm confused. I'm confused. So Akagan is ready again. Okay, Shiver is also ready. So let's Shiver up. Let me think. Who do we act again? Attack lesson is also ready. And we'll attack Racing Leon. Then we'll act again Leon. Oh shit. Oh shit, that's not good. They're all moving now. Okay, so we need to attack them now. So they're below it. Oh man. That's not good. Can we just rush Angelica down? I'm actually not too sure if we can achieve that. Oh my god, it's attacking Tiris again? Maybe we can just kill Angelica. Oh shit! We had no gospel. Fuck. We missed damage. We missed damage. I don't want to use clock. I don't want to use clock. Fuck, we messed up. We messed up very badly. Yeah, we need to do something like this. Kill this. So let's damage all of them. Wait, what the fuck? Tears died? How? Oh shit, wait, did the skill not trigger? The damage reduction skill? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, oh my god, what the fuck is happening here? Oh shit, man, what the fuck is happening? A disaster, this is. This is a disaster. This is a disaster, what's happening? Oh, wait a second, wait a second. What the fuck? How did Tears die? Angelica attack you first. How do I prevent? Okay, let's get back to this for a second. Let's get back to this for a second. Maybe we need better RNG. Yeah, this is a hard DPS check. Oh. Actually, this doesn't work. This doesn't work. There are too many spawns. We need to move Angelica away from here. Although Kira survived this turn. We need to draw Angelica away. One, two, three, four, five. Yep, something like this works better. We need to draw her away. My god, it's multiplying too fast. Oh shit. Why did she take so much damage and not these ones? Oh wait, man damage taken decreased by 3%. Oh, that's my Luna's buff. Oh, AoE damage decreased. Wait, what? What gave that buff? I'm confused. Used AoE skills for allies within 2 blocks take. Wait, who has the debuff? Oh! Wait, what the fudge? Oh, one random enemy? Oh, so we don't have to deal with... Wait, what? Wait. Apparently we did not get the fight. So, okay. Oh my god, I'm still being attacked first. That's retarded, man. How do we deal with this? How do we deal with this? Wait, I think something I did is not right. I think something I did is not right. I think something I did is not right. Okay, we're dead. Yeah, we're dead. We're so fucking dead. Are we dead? Wait, this is weird. Isn't it plus 500 damage? Oh, wait, what the fuck? She just used electromagnetic augmentation, which plus 500% AoE damage, right? And this one here says, allies within 2 block radius take 1% reduce AoE damage. This is bad English translation. If you plus 500, then you subtract 100, should be still plus 400 damage. But this 1% reduced AoE damage actually is like it's like the entirety of the 500% plus. What kind of retardedness is this? Right? If you, for example, if you use attack blasting plus 50%, enemy has like heavy shield triggering, and then takes 50% reduction. It like cancel each other, right? It's like an absolute number canceling each other. So why does 100% cancel plus 500%? That's why I did not get this. Oh man. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. So we need attack blessing on someone. With that again. Oh shit, okay. Maybe I should act again. Elwyn is dead. Can we win this turn? I don't know, man. Oh shit. I think this is wrong. I think this is wrong. But perhaps Angelica is dead. Perhaps she's dead. Perhaps she's just dead anyways. Oh, I should have moved further. Whatever. Doesn't matter, she's dead. Die! Angelica! You're dead! Okay. Okay, other than Tyrus dying to some bad luck, this fight wasn't too much of a problem, but the translation was very confusing, right? 100% AoE damage mitigation actually mitigate everything, even when... Oh wait, wait, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Angelica's skill, second skill, electromagnetic something, augmentation, buffs, I think the allies near her. Yes, yes, so if we draw her away, then she doesn't buff the other units. Therefore, we don't even need to attack the other units as long as we have the debuff that grant us, debuff/buff that grant us 100% damage reduction from AoE. So there is no translation problem. We just didn't fully understand the fight and didn't read properly, but we managed somehow anyways. Okay, I guess this video is not very helpful for others because I've kind of understood the fight wrong from the start, but we still did it. Alright, let's see. Thank you for watching. Slash out.